My name is Paul Ponder. I'm VP of RX Manufacturing for Maui Jim. The flags in the front of the building represent each country that we have a distribution center in. We built a reputation on service. So we have our automated production line set up so it's first in, first out. We can maintain that 1 day or 1.5 day turn time. I have a great relationship with Satisloh. As an organization, they have been a partner of ours at Maui Jim and at other facilities that I've worked at. I've built a relationship with many of the people at Satisloh, and they help us maintain this equipment. The new generators provide more throughput, so it improves the capacity in this facility. And it's very difficult for me to expand the walls of this building, so I have to rely on Satisloh to provide equipment, polishers, generators, and AR equipment that can do more in the real estate that I have. Throughout the day, the machines are fairly maintenance-free, and it really helps the employees to do other tasks to support the productivity of the lab. Satisloh has partnered with us to help build our recipes. If we want to change or add a new color mirror to our portfolio, we get the support from Satisloh's engineers to help us achieve that. No lens waste from this lab ends up in a landfill, whether it comes from the generators or it goes through the edgers. So there is no waste that goes to the landfill. We have this closed loop system. The fluids that go through the generator and number one, cool the lens and acts as a wetting agent through that process. And it actually helps flow the swarf through the pipes back to the poly ejectors. As that closed loop system cleans up that fluid and sends it back for reuse to the generators, we save about 4,000 gallons of fluid a year. We are committed to keeping our equipment at peak performance. The STEP program we have with Satisloh, they come in quarterly and address each piece of equipment and do the quarterly maintenance, as well as every year come in and do a complete annual maintenance on all the surface equipment and the AR equipment. And that's the only way we can provide the quality that we do.